Which of the boxes below should replace the question mark to complete the pattern? So we have a 9-figure matrix here, and we always start off with columns and rows. And I'm going to start off with the columns because the shapes inside are very similar, making it easier to differentiate what's happening between each one. So just looking at the first column, I can see they all have a circle with a line from the middle to one edge. And in the first, it's starting on the left, and then it's at the bottom, and then it's at the right. And just looking at this, I can see it's turning at a 90-degree angle counterclockwise. And when we test it with the second and third, we see the same thing. So now we have a rule. We're going to test it with the third column, make sure it's correct, and then we'll use it to find our missing figure. So if this figure, the first one, was going to turn 90 degrees counterclockwise, we would expect it to start from the bottom to the right, which is what we see. And if we were going from the second figure, we would expect it to go from the top to the right, which again is what we see. So now we know our rule is correct. We're going to try this out on the middle column to find the missing figure. So turning it 90 degrees, we're just going to take one point, which will be this point in the bottom left. So turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise, we would expect to see it in the bottom right. And when I look at my answer options below, I can see B is matching, and it is our final answer.